Hi, welcome back to the tutorial on configuring the FitCompare agent. Now let's configure the Select Row node. As the name suggests, it is used to fetch entries from the database. We'll use this node to fetch applicant details using the candidate IDs extracted by the LLM node. Click on the node to expand it. Then, click the Configure button, which offers two modes to define your query: Query mode and UI mode. I'm using Query mode, where I'll use the Generate using AI option to generate the query. There's also an option to validate the syntax of your query. Next, let's create the output variables and map them to the Select Row node, Selected Rows. This will hold the query result, No of Rows. To store the count of rows fetched, select Status. To specify whether the query execution was successful or not, click Save once done. Since our LLM node provides candidate IDs in the form of a list, I'll update the query slightly to handle that. Now, click on the Test button, provide some sample IDs, and check the output of your query. Close the test window and save your agent. That's it! We've successfully configured the Select Row node to fetch applicant data. In the next video, we'll see how to use this data to compare applicants.